Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a paper flexagon toy just like this one. It's not that much hard to make, but it is an intermediate level. You can vary the size and color of the paper as you like.
To make this paper flexagon toy you will need A4 size paper. Now fold the paper into half and refold it. Now bring the edge to the middle and fold it. Do the same on other side. Now cut the below rectangle and separate it. Now we will get a rectangle whose width is twice the height. Our first step is to fold in half horizontally. So we'll fold the bottom side to the top. And reinforce very well. After that, we can unfold. Now we'll fold the bottom side in half by bringing the edge to the middle. And then the same thing on the top. Just bring the edge to the middle as well. Keep it folded. And as next step we're going to fold it in half vertically. Now let's divide the paper into 4 squares. Firstly, by folding the right side to the middle. After that, we're going to fold the left side to the middle as well. And unfold it. With that, the paper is now divided into 4. For the next step we'll have to divide it into 8. Just bring the right edge to the first crease. Then let's bring the same edge to this crease here on the left. Let's unfold here too. And we do the same with the rest. Now we'll fold the last part by bringing the edge to the first line on the left. Now we bring the left side to this line here. Okay, now pay close attention. With this, the paper is now divided into 16 small squares. Putting them together 4 by 4, we have 4 larger squares. Let's use these lines as guides to fold these new diagonals. So, starting with the on the right, the first line connects these 2 corners here. That is, we're going to divide the 2 smaller squares on top. To make the next line, we're going to follow the same logic in the second larger square. Now we are going to mark the diagonal at the top first, and extend it to the end. Once that's done, we can go to the third larger square and repeat the same steps. Now let's go here to the last one. We fold following the same logic. And then, finishing this part, we just need to fold here in the left corner, which is the bottom of the last square. Now that we've finished all these diagonals, we're going to have to repeat the same step by step, but now folding in the opposite direction. So, like before, let's start on the right. Then we jump to the second larger square as same as before. Let's go now to the third square. Let's fold the fourth square in the same way. And then fold the remaining part here in the left corner. Okay, we have all the necessary marks to make the paper flexagon toy. For the next step, we're going to kind of close the paper like this, and then fit one side inside the other. For this, I'm going to place the square on the right inside the square on the left. We have something like a triangle. We are going to push those three parts inside. We now have something more or less like this. Let's turn it upside down. And repeat the same thing here with the other side. Now we're going to push those 3 corners towards the middle, so that they meet in the center. We can go to the other side now, and repeat the same thing. And we have something like this. Let's reinforce the corners a little bit, or anything that hasn't been 100% folded. With that, our paper toy is ready. But as you can see, it has a gap. The paper ends up falling apart and becomes more difficult to turn. You can leave it like this if you want. But for a better result, I recommend that you put some tape on this part. After fixing it, this is the result. Now we can rotate it much more easily, and it doesn't fall apart anymore. Our paper toy is ready. I hope you liked this video. If you liked so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.